friend. I would like to wish him all the best for his future endeavors, and hope to see him succeed in 2006.
Him being a great tennis player, but he's also a great guy and a very good friend. I hope you all enjoy the show, and yeah, all the very.
And I want to do skydiving.
Okay. वो तो यहाँ भी मिल जाएगी. यहाँ मुझे पैराशूट ही नहीं. बड़ा जबरदस्त प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, बड़ा मजा आ रहा है आपसे बातें करने का. अब देखते हैं कि आपके फेलो स्पोर्ट्समैन आपके बारे में क्या कहते हैं.
Hi guys, talking about my very good friend, the one and only Aisam Ullah Qureshi, the Prince of Pakistan. I must say he's one of the most humble guys on the tour, most loved by all of us. I mean, he's such a true friend and a great friend for many, many years. You know, I've shared a lot with this guy on the tour, not only playing tennis but off court as well. He's one of the most hardworking guys you'll find out there, and as a true friend, I would like to wish him all the best for his future endeavors, and hope to see him succeed in 2016.
Hi guys, I heard you guys are on the show. I hope you're having a good time. I know Aisam for a very long time, for many, many years, probably as long as I started playing international tennis. Not just him being a great tennis player, but he's also a great guy and a very good friend. I hope you all enjoy the show, and yeah, all the very best.
इस तरह इस environment में दुनिया के अंदर अपने आप को डबल्स के अंदर पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन किया है. मैं समझता हूँ कि एक अलहदा बहुत बड़ी कंट्रीब्यूशन है स्पोर्ट्स की तरफ से भी और टेनिस के लिए भी, और जो भी यंग जनरेशन आ रही है उसके लिए भी काफ़ी मोटिवेशनल है.
पाकिस्तान टेनिस का जब भी जिक्र होता है ऑब्वियसली असाम का नाम आता है, और मैं जब भी असाम से मिला बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन नहीं है, मगर जब भी मिलता हूँ अच्छा लगता है. बहुत अच्छा इंसान है, अच्छी तरह से मिलता है. प्लेयर तो अच्छा है, अच्छा इंसान भी है.
What he has done to his country, Pakistan done a lot of favors by bringing the tennis into Pakistan. I think he is one of the most fascinating talent that I ever came across. ये बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त खिलाड़ी है and supreme athlete.
ये सेगमेंट में मैं जुमला बोलूंगा, आपने आगे से आंसर करना है, ठीक है?
अच्छा.
या जितना लंबा करें छोटा करें आपकी मर्जी.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Perfect. Crazy fan, Bristol.
Crazy fan was like, he was from London.
He?
Pakistani. हाँ, unfortunately was a he.
Oh no.
हाँ जी.
Okay.
इधर ही खत्म कर देते हैं. Story को यहाँ भी बंद कर दें आप. He scuba diving, jumping from the cliff.
To swim with the sharks.
Sharks. मेरा वो बहुत है.
In the cage, of course.
इंशाल्लाह. इंशाल्लाह पता नहीं क्यों कह रहा हूँ, लेकिन in a way I just hope it happens, and I want to do skydiving.
Okay. वो तो यहाँ भी मिल जाएगी. यहाँ मुझे पैराशूट ही नहीं खुलेगा.
And दो दफा कोशिश की है मैंने. कोशिश नहीं, I made up my mind to go and do it. क्योंकि अब्बू अम्मी ने कहा कि नहीं, ना करो प्लीज, हमारे लिए ना करो. तो अब भाई के साथ प्लान है कि मैंने कर लेनी है, अब फिर अम्मी अब्बू को बताना कि मैं कर चुका हूँ.
उससे पहले प्रोग्राम चला देंगे. फिक्र रहती है. Lift and childhood.
The only reason I remember getting in a lift and getting out of a lift was to meet you.
कहाँ?
Sri Lanka में. I was 13 years old, I think 14 years old.
Okay.
And Colombo में family के साथ trip था मेरा, गया हुआ था, बहन भाई parents, and luckily आप कह लें कि we were staying in the same hotel जहाँ पे आप लोग ठहरे हुए थे. And वो पता लगा जी कि obviously lift से गुजरे हैं. पहली दफ़ा देखा वकार यूनुस को, तो फिर पता लगा कहीं से कि जी वसीम अकरम भी आ रहे हैं. तो अब लिफ्ट में तो हमने ऊपर जाना था, लेकिन वो लेके मैं वापस नीचे आए. एंड गॉट अ पिक्चर विद यू विद होल ऑफ माय फैमिली, एंड दैट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एक्चुअली मेट यू.
मैंने कुछ
नहीं, आप तस्वीर खिंचवा ली.
तो बस
दैट वाज इट.
एक्सीलेंट.
परफेक्ट. बिल्कुल.
अच्छा, मुझे याद नहीं है, पता होता कि हमारा इतना स्टार है तो वो ऊपर कमरे में लेके जाते हैं, ग्राउंड में लेके जाते हैं.
कुछ भी नहीं. बट थैंकफुल टू यू कि यू एक्चुअली obviously took time to take a picture with all of us, and that's the only lift memory I remember.
Lessons,
obviously, throughout my life, I've been through a lot. I've had a lot of experiences.
Yeah.
As a tennis player also, as a human being as well. Uske upar 2010 ke baad, I felt like it's like kind of my obligation to get across to the youngsters in Pakistan.
Yeah.
And I felt the best way to do it is to write a book.
Yeah.
Book मेरी autobiography नहीं है. It's not about my life. It's about my experiences.
Okay.
And book is called Stop or Start Tennis: Lessons Learned on a Tennis Tour by Aisam Ullah.
Okay.
Pakistan. तो it's a coffee table book with a lot of pictures, सब Federer, Rafa इन सबके साथ भी है, and it's about my lesson that I've learned throughout my tennis career. 12 chapters हैं, and every chapter is a lesson that I've learned.
Okay.
And
great idea.
Allah ka shukr hai, it did really well, and it's out there for obviously youngsters to go and buy it as well. Hopefully they can learn something.
Forget them, I'll buy it first. Stop war, start tennis.
Stop war, start tennis. Gee, obviously that's one of my motto also. And being a tennis player, I am a very peaceful person.
Yeah.
I want this world to be a very peaceful world as well. And I think wars are not going to take us anywhere. And the motto is stop war and start tennis is like to get people involved in tennis and into sports.
Yeah.
मेरी foundation भी है, मेरी book का नाम भी है. I feel like इंसान अपनी capacity में जो कुछ कर सकता है to make someone's life better, we should do. तो वो foundation मैंने start की है, Stop War, Start Tennis, which emphasizes on people who've been affected by wars or national disasters.
Yeah.
जिनकी टांगे नहीं हैं, they don't have limbs. And the foundation provides them with specific tennis wheelchairs and tennis equipment.
Yeah.
So far, I've done 4 projects. Afghanistan में, Iraq में, Cambodia में, और Sri Lanka में. And because all of them have been affected by wars in the past and everything. And inshallah, the next project, hopefully, inshallah, is going to be in Pakistan.
Inshallah.
I'm working with Pakistan Army, के ex-soldiers के साथ ये tennis program शुरू किया जाए. And hopefully try to make it big. पेशावर के अंदर एक टेनिस क्लब है, कायद आज़म टेनिस क्लब. तो आई थिंक इट्स द राइट प्लेस कि अगर वो कायद आज़म टेनिस क्लब वहाँ पे दोबारा जो है ना उसको रीस्टैब्लिश किया जाए इंशाल्लाह.
Inshallah, we wish you all the luck.
नहीं, thank you so
and
much.
keep bringing laurels for your country. You're doing a great job. We're all proud of you.
Yeah,
I enjoyed it. I hope तुमने enjoy किया हो.
नहीं, मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा जी, it's a dream come true.
Really had a
I'm
great
really
time.
enjoying
Thank
it.
you very much for coming.
Very kind of
and
you. Thank you.
जाने से पहले ये स्पोर्ट्समैन शो का एक है कि जाने से पहले मेरे साथ तस्वीर खिंचवानी है आपने.
Definitely.
Done deal. आइए. Thank you.
नहीं, thank you so much.
आजा. So that was one of the best sportsmen of our country, Essam ul Haq. It was a pleasure to have him on the show. Thank you, viewers and audience. So we'll see you next week with another sportsman. Take care and keep watching HPL Presents The Sportsman. Allah Hafiz.